West Coast metrics, here we go. What can I say? I am beside myself. I made this order on Friday, June 10th of 2022. It is Saturday, June 11th, 2022. I got this product within 24 hours. My wife's convertible, we needed some door latch mechanisms and some strikers because the car's very old and the doors have a lot of wear. You get a lot of wear in these joints here, and then the striker plates, they wear out, so the door flops back and forth. And then so I got both. I got both sets, okay, right and left, okay. And then her turn signal, she has the original turn signal in there with some bad contacts and some wires that I had repaired several years back. It does work, but it's really odd and weird to make it work, so I want it to be right. And they had a turn selector switch in stock. The color is right. That's the exact same off-white color that is on her original one. And I just can't say wow enough to West Coast Metrics. So thanks a lot.